Okay, the reason why I picked that song is because I was gonna play Bob the Builder, but that came out in 1998, so I wasn't sure if anybody would know what that was. So Little Einsteins, I feel like people would know what that was. So algebra, the reason why I went back and did all of these is because we're gonna build on each other. So before we go to multi-step equations, we did one step, we did two step, we did combining like terms. So something else you are gonna encounter is the distributive property. So you're gonna see something like this where you have a number outside of some parentheses. So the rule here is you take whatever's outside and you distribute to everything on the inside. So you take this 5, and parentheses mean multiplication. So 5 you're gonna distribute to this 2x. So you're gonna do 5 times 2 gives me 10 and attach that x to it. So 10x. And then we also have this positive 3 back here. So 5 times positive 3 gives me a plus 15. And this was just an expression, not an equation, so I don't solve anything. That's that. Okay, so another thing you might see, you might see something even like this. So if you look, it doesn't look like there's a number out here, but you still have to distribute this negative sign. So if it helps you, you could put a 1 here, but really you just distribute the negative. So this negative sign gets distributed to this 2x, so it just becomes a negative 2x. And then you have a negative and a negative. So a negative and a negative makes a positive, so plus 3. So you might run into that too. So that's the distributive property, pretty short video. Also, 1, I figured out I should turn my camera this way. 2, I figured out the colors, like why I kept changing colors if you watch my other videos. But anyway, okay, I'm gonna be quiet. The end.